Comparing top Sous Vide immersion circulators, Anova and Breville. When exploring high-performance sous vide immersion circulators, the Anova Precision Cooker Pro stands out for its robust features and reliability. To provide a comprehensive comparison, let's examine two notable competitors, the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide and the Anova Precision Cooker Nano. We'll explore the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro is designed for professional kitchens and serious home cooks, offering exceptional power and precision. Pros. High power output. With 1,200 watts, it heats water rapidly, accommodating large volumes up to 100 liters. Durable construction. Built with stainless steel components, ensuring longevity and reliability. Precision control. Maintains temperature accuracy within 80, 0.9 degree F, near 0.5 degrees C, ideal for delicate cooking tasks. Cons. Price point. As a premium model, it comes with a higher price tag, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Size. Its larger size may require more storage space, which could be a concern for those with limited kitchen space. The Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide is known for its compact design and advanced app integration, making it a popular choice among tech-savvy cooks. Pros. Compact design. Its sleek and small footprint saves counter space and is easy to store. App integration. Controlled exclusively via a user-friendly app, offering a range of recipes and cooking guides. Magnetic base. Features a magnetic base that can attach to the bottom of many pots, providing stability during cooking. Cons. App dependency. Lacks onboard controls. Operation requires a smartphone, which may not appeal to all users. Limited capacity. Best suited for smaller cooking volumes. May not perform as efficiently with large quantities. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is an entry-level sous vide device, ideal for beginners or those cooking smaller portions. Pros. Affordability. Priced lower than many competitors, making sous vide cooking accessible to a broader audience. User-friendly. Simple interface with manual controls and Bluetooth connectivity for app integration. Compact size. Its small size makes it easy to handle and store, suitable for kitchens with limited space. Cons. Lower power output. With 750 watts, it heats water more slowly and is suitable for smaller water baths. Limited connectivity. Offers Bluetooth but lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, reducing remote control capabilities. Each of these sous vide immersion circulators caters to different needs and preferences. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro is ideal for those requiring high power and precision for large-scale cooking. The Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide appeals to tech enthusiasts seeking a compact device with advanced app integration, while the Anova Precision Cooker Nano is perfect for beginners or those cooking smaller portions, offering simplicity and affordability. Consider your specific cooking requirements, budget, and desired features to select the sous vide device that best fits your culinary endeavors.